Hey guys, we're about to start a new build project for this year. This year we've decided to modify a Polaris ACE 900XC. We're going to be installing various aftermarket parts on this unit. We're going to bring you the project over 3 or 4 web episodes, trying to detail as much as possible the installation and parts that we're using. So our build project starts now. Make sure to stay with us. So we just completed our deconstruction phase. In our next episode, we will be installing a custom cage from Concept Distributing, along with a performance exhaust, which has been supplied to us by HMF Performance, and lastly, a front bumper from Polaris. So make sure to follow us in our next episode.